Question number 9. Without using distance formula, show that points with coordinates -2, -1, 4, 0, 3, 3, -3, 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Solution. Let A with coordinates -2, -1, B with coordinates 4, 0, C with coordinates 3, 3, and D with coordinates -3, 2 be the vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD. Slope of AB is equal to 0 minus of -1 plus 1 divided by 4 minus of -2, that is plus 2, so is equal to 1 by 6. Slope of BC is equal to 3, minus 0, 3 minus 4 is equal to 3 divided by -1 is equal to -3. Slope of CD is equal to 2 minus 3 divided by -3. -3 is equal to -1 divided by -6 is equal to 1 by 6. Slope of AD or DA is equal to 2 plus 1 divided by -3 plus 2 is equal to 3 divided by -1 is equal to -3. Since slope of AB is equal to slope of CD, therefore AB is parallel to CD. Say number 1. Since slope of BC is equal to slope of AD, therefore BC is parallel to AD. Number 2. In quadrilateral ABCD, AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Tenth question. Find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points with coordinates 3, -1 and 4 minus 2. Solution. Let A with coordinates 3, minus 1 and B with coordinates 4 and minus 2 be the given points. Slope of x-axis is equal to 0. Say m1 and slope of AB is equal to minus 2 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 divided by 1 is equal to minus 1. Say m2. Let theta be the angle between x-axis and AB. Therefore, tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 minus 0 divided by 1 plus 0 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. This can be written as tan 180 degree minus 45 degree. What about tan 45? 1. Because of minus 1, so we can take in second quadrant. This is equal to tan 135 degree. This implies theta is equal to 135 degree. Question number 11. The slope of a line is double of the slope of another line if the tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3. Find the slope of the lines. Solution. Let m1 and m2 be the slopes of two lines. According to the question, m2 is equal to 2m1. Therefore, tan theta is equal to tan theta they have given, that is 1 by 3. This implies we can take this as plus or minus when we wanted to find m1 and m2, so we supposed to take plus or minus m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2 is equal to 1 by 3. This implies plus or minus what is m2? 2m1 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into 2 m1 is equal to 1 by 3. This implies plus or minus m1 divided by 1 plus 2m1 square is equal to 1 by 3. This implies m1 divided by 1 plus 2 m1 square is equal to 1 by 3. Say number 1. And minus m1 divided by 1 plus 2 m1 square is equal to 1 by 3. Say number 2. 1 implies 1 plus 2m1 square is equal to 3m1 by cross multiplication. This implies 2m1 square minus 3m1 plus 1 is equal to 0 implies 2m1 square minus 2m1 minus m1 plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies when you take 2m1 common from first two terms, we will get m1 minus 1 minus 1 when you take common from next two terms, then we will get m1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Again, when you take m1 minus 1 common, then you will get 2m1 minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies m1 is equal to 1 or m1 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, m2 is equal to, as we know, m2 is equal to 2m1. Or m2 is equal to 1. Second equation implies 1 plus 2m1 square is equal to minus 3m1. This implies 2m1 square plus 3m1 plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies 2m1 square plus 2m1 plus m1 plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies when you take 2m1 common from first two terms, you will get m1 plus 1 plus 1. If you take common from next two terms, then you will get m1 plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies again we can take m1 plus 1 common from both the terms. We will get 2m1 plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies m1 is equal to minus 1 or m1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, m2 is equal to minus 2 or m2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, required slopes are 1 and 2 or 1 by 2 and 1 or minus 1 and minus 2 or minus 1 by 2 and minus 1. 12th question. A line passes through points with coordinates x1, y1 and hk. If slope of the line is m, show that k minus y1 is equal to m into h minus x1. Solution. Let A with coordinates x1, y1 and B with coordinates hk be the given points. Therefore, slope of line AB is equal to, we can use y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 formula, that is k minus y1 divided by h minus x1. This implies, what is the slope of AB? M. That is equal to k minus y1 divided by h minus x1. This implies, by cross multiplication, we will get k minus y1 is equal to m into h minus x1. Question number 13. If 3 points with coordinates h, 0, a, b and 0, k lie on a line, show that a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. Solution. Let A with coordinates h0, b with coordinates a and b and c with coordinates 0, k be the 3 collinear points. Therefore, slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. This implies B minus 0 divided by A minus H is equal to K minus B divided by 0 minus A. Implies, by cross multiplication, minus AB is equal to AK minus KH minus AB plus BH. Minus AB and minus AB we can cancel. This implies AK let us keep as it is, plus BH also we can keep as it is. This minus KH we can bring this side is equal to KH. This implies AK divided by KH plus BH divided by KH is equal to 1, dividing throughout by KH. This implies A by H plus B by K is equal to 1. Question number 14. Consider the following population and year graph. Find the slope of the line AB and using it find what will be the population in the year 2010. Solution. Let C with coordinates 2010 Y with a point on line AB where Y denotes the population in the year 2010. Slope of AB is equal to -97 minus 92 divided by 1995 minus 1985 is equal to 5 divided by 10 is equal to 1 by 2. Let me mark point C on AB, that is 2010, 1. Since A, B and C are collinear, therefore slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. This implies 1 by 2 is equal to Y minus 97 divided by 2010 minus 1995. This implies 1 by 2 is equal to Y minus 97 divided by 15. This implies 15 is equal to 2Y minus 194. This implies to y is equal to 194. You can bring this side, plus 15 is equal to 209. This implies y is equal to 209 divided by 2 is equal to 104.5. Therefore, the population in the year 2010 is equal to 104.5 crores.